Hey everybody, Scrapping with Grandpa. We're down at the beach today. Left-handed Paul and Drew. I've been retired for the past 9 months just doing scrap metal. I'm getting so many calls to do roofing, repairs and whatnot. I can't pass it all up, so I decided instead of sending somebody else out here to measure this roof, I'm paying them for it, and then maybe not getting the job, that left-handed Paul and I would go out here and do what we used to do. As long as it's not too big, we'll measure these things up. But this is where I live. Well, actually I live in BSL, North Carolina, and this is about 15 minutes from my house right here. Beautiful. Southeast North Carolina. Right now I'm on Oak Island or Long Beach, North Carolina. But this is a beautiful place. And all we're gonna do is measure this house for shingles. And then if we get it, what I do is I subcontract this out to somebody else. Scrapping with Grandpa knows how to make money. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. And this is where we live, everybody. Yeah, buddy. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We live in Southeast North Carolina. This is exactly 15 minutes from my house. And we're just looking at this for a repair job. Yeah, this is what happens. This is what happens when you use what do they call EG, electric galvanized nails. If you nail that thing just a little bit low, it'll rust because we're at the beach. So if you nail it just a little bit low, you can tell that the water gets up underneath there because you'll see the rust marks coming out from underneath the shingles. Anytime you see a nail that's pretty low, you'll see that. That tells me, look at that, they're everywhere. It's everywhere. And that's from electric galvanized nails, and that's why I don't use them on the beach. See that? Whatever you do, don't have your house, if you're near the ocean or any salt, a lot of salt area like this, that you don't let them use electric galvanized nails, because this will happen everywhere. And what that's doing is the head of that nail is disappearing. It's rusting, disappearing. The whole entire roof is like that. Whole entire roof. That's just rust spots everywhere. And what you're seeing, like I say, is that I can actually see the nail head, but it's almost gone. Yeah, that nail is gone. That nail, there's no more nail head to it anymore. The shaft is already broke off. But electric galvanized nails at the beach, it's exactly what you'll end up with. Look at this. There's one that's exposed. That is the head of a nail. All right, that is the head of that nail. It's under there. That's not good. What you got over here? Oh, it's just everywhere, Paul. It's everywhere. Lord have mercy. Look, you can see the head of that nail? Right there, you see that hair? It's rusting. Oh my word, yeah. Anytime you get a low nail, look at that. I can break that metal off of the end of that nail. It's that rusted. There's another one right here. Watch this. I tried to pull the head out and it just splintered all up into pieces. I mean, I don't know, Paul. If this was mine, I would think about getting a roof done properly. Because I surely wouldn't trust this on a storm.
No, it's not done with you.
Yeah.
Shingles look good.
I know, the shingles do look good. They don't look terrible, but the daggum nails.
The nails,
See, that's a nail head. That nail head is gone. Look at that. That's a hole in the roof. I would say we measured up for a new roof, Paul. Even though it is what it is, I use galvanized. Yeah, that's the nail head. And I can just touch the heads of them nails and they just disintegrate. To be honest, it's going on literally everywhere. Yeah, that's a nail head that's just completely deteriorated. It never actually got nailed down tight. Let's see if I can pull that out. That's just a nail head. Here it is. Get out of there. There it is. That's the nail. That's the nail head. That's an electric galvanized nails. Whatever you do, don't let your contractor use that electric galvanized nail on your roof because they won't last. And that's the head of that nail right there. So now the head's gone. All you have is a shaft down there left. And what's going to happen to that shaft? It's going to let water in. And if you're living at the beachfront like this, that's the last thing you want because wind blows down here like we're in the 110 mile an hour wind zone. So wind will blow, literally water when it's raining can blow up the roof when the wind is blowing at a high speed. Huh? Chilly, ain't it, Paul? A little chilly up here in the roof. Oh my, look at that nastiness.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. That's nasty, look at that. We have a lot of high winds around here, people. Look at that. That ridge has definitely got about a foot drop in it, doesn't it, Paul? Good Lord, look at that ridge. Wow. Oh my God. That's insane. Yep. You got issues there, bro. Look at that. Look how crooked them shingles are. They didn't never pop a line on that roof. But people don't pop lines. I don't understand it. Look how crooked that is. That's absolutely insane. Well, anyways, that's not the house I'm working on, so the only one I got to worry about is this one. All right, that section is 19 by 14. Up and down over here. Go back to where we were. 14? Does that give you a little bit? Okay. 14 feet up. Yeah. Looks like the caps have blown off a time or two. Huh? 35. Okay, 14 by 35 here. We got that number. Now we're going to measure this side. That's a big side there. You got 26 feet. 26 feet by from there to there. Six by all the way to the wall underneath there. 23. 26 by 23. We'll measure that on the way down. All right, let's get down and measure this bottom piece. Paul, wait till you get my shoes, dude. You can be like, damn, I need some of them. 11 feet.
14.
11 by 14, but you got little ends on the sides of there. All right. 11. All right, 11 by 14 here. So let's measure that piece over there and we're good. Oh yeah, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Electric galvanized nails. All over this roof, I'm getting exposed nails. And the head has gone off of that one. All I can see is a little stub. Not good. Again, this is just all over this roof. White shingles. I would not use white shingles.
14 by 10 twice.
14 by 10 times 2 for this side here. How much ridge vent we need,
9
Paul?
pieces.
9 pieces of ridge vent total.
4 pipes.
4 pipe boots. We also have to add up a drip edge. So I can do that easily. Look at this. That's a nail head. Watch that. Look at that. Just fell right off. Not good. All over the... I know, it just fell right off. I touched it and it fell off, Paul. All right. That's what we got on this one. We got issues. We have shingle issues. That corner's blowed back. That corner's blowed back. It's been repaired at the top. There's nail head rust everywhere. What's that, buddy? Yeah, I know it. I know it. All right, let's get off of this one. Oh my God, look at that. They got a swimming pool. I ain't never seen that, Paul. I like that.
How much weight is that?
I don't know how much weight it is. That's why they got all them pilings underneath it. Look at all the pilings under it. That's a swimming pool. Now that's cool.
Ain't gonna get no sand in that swimming pool.
Huh, that is so cool.
No
I like it. I mean, most people, to be honest with you, here, they'll put a swimming pool, not on the ocean front, but the second row back, they'll put a swimming pool right in their backyard. And every time we have a storm, their swimming pool gets full of dirt. So, ridiculous. All right, well, we measured this thing up. We do have shingle damage on the corners. Like that, that's pretty serious damage. Something has hit that because the drip edge is bent also. So that's all things that we'll be looking at, replacing all the drip edge. You never want to change your 30-year architectural shingles and leave the old drip edge up there that's already started to deteriorate, that's for sure. All right, that was what we did for the day, guys. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and we are out. See you on the next one. Matter of fact, we'll see you tomorrow. We're starting some mobile home floors. Whatever you do, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're notified the next time I put a video out, especially if you want to know how to replace a mobile home floor or any general floor repair. Because you're going to see about 7 days of it straight in a row. So be prepared.